Hey everybody, how you doing? This topic is about what is this topic going to be about? I don't even know yet. But I do want to speak on the collective energy. Um, I know a lot of people are in separation with their twin flame, as am I. And this has been a time of great healing. This has been a time of feeling, stepping into your truth, bringing your power, your energy into the universe. Taking this step in the direction of love, peace. We're not settling anymore for the old bullshit, for the old ways of thinking and doing. And we're allowing God to direct our lives. Some more than others, of course, but that's what's happening is we're allowing God to be in charge. Our egos are dissolving, or we are releasing old patterns. And we are collectively healing. Within my own union with God, I'm learning to trust and to see God. So I've been seeing myself through seeing God. And I see the harmony and union forming perfectly as I trust God. Because as I connect deeper with the truth, and I choose the truth always, I then am gifted with the truth of the divine. Because I'm being true to the divine is true to me. If I am learning to be God's child and trust that God has this all under control, this entire connection, I don't really need to focus on anything else, other than just living my life and focusing on what God wants me to do. God shows me. God tells me. Signs and synchronicities. Every moment, I just allow God to orchestrate my reality. And I don't need to really question that or analyze it. I just am myself. I be myself. That's all that God asks. And I answer that call, right? I answer God's call. And we all have our own pain. We all have our own suffering. And I think right now what I've been really working through or flowing through is this idea that I am broken or I am not perfectly myself right now because I don't have all of the abundance or I don't have harmonious union with my twin flame. I used to worry so much about her and all the men she would be giving attention to, and I was just supposed to be her friend, right? I was just supposed to always be connecting in a way of lack, and it's what I created. Like I wasn't enough for myself. So it kept showing up in my reality. But when we learn that our twin flame isn't the love, isn't where the love is, and the love is within ourselves, the love is with God, our Creator, we then feel much deeper peace in this connection. We then heal. We realize, I should say I've realized recently, like how deeply I've been connected to my physical body in a negative way, thinking that it defined me. I had an obsession with sex. I was leaking my sexual energy. And I've been realizing how like my body really is an extension of my being. And how sacred sexual energy is. How sacred life is. How sacred my connection with God is. And within this connection to God, I've began to connect with myself. And through connecting with myself deeper, it enables a deeper connection with my divine feminine, because she can feel when I'm loving myself. She's over doing her own thing, loving herself. And it feels much lighter that way than when we're both projecting and blaming and manipulating each other. Because we're doing that to ourselves, because the connection wasn't focused on God, the universe. It was focused on pain and suffering from our own wounding. And it's very healing to understand that and have compassion for ourselves through whatever we've been through. Because it's the truth in that way. It's the truth. To just be true to ourselves and understand that neither one of us can fuck up this connection. To understand that neither one of us are to blame. I've created my reality, and I take full responsibility for that. She's created her reality, and she's taking full responsibility for her feelings, her emotions. And that's the twin flame journey. It's taking control of your own energy and taking responsibility for your fuck-ups, your mistakes, your codependency. And that's what my school teaches. Jeff and Shalia teach this, the mirror exercise. You work through your own shit and you heal it. And you can heal it in a peaceful way. Everything only feels dark when we're focusing outside of ourselves. We can bring that peace in through our energy just by focusing on that peace. And if you would like to heal your separation, consciousness with God deeper, I'm offering free consultations. And I'm offering you Twin Flame Ascension School and Life Purpose class. If you're not so sure about your career, if you're not so sure about what God has created for you to do, if you feel stuck on your journey, This is your call here. I will leave my Instagram, my Facebook open for you, and my email so you can reach out to me to set up a free consultation to learn about Twin Flame Ascension School and Life Purpose class, the cost, what it is that you're getting, not just classes, but an entire community and your own personal healing groups. So if you feel called to reach out, please do. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. And we're waiting for 11:11.